How to get $300 Temu promo code. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app, or also you can launch any of the preferred browser. Then type in temu.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Temu. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase. While you check out, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, you'll need to type in the code, and with that, you'll get the discount. But where can you find Temu promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Temu promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Temu. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Time Magazine. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offers. You can see that 90% offer, 30% offer, $100 offer, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on see coupon. So here's the code, you can copy it, then click on view discount at Temu. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Temu. Now log into your account, browse through the items, select the items that you want to purchase, add those items to the cart, and proceed to checkout. And in the checkout page, you will find this section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. In this page, you're going to find tons of offers. Also go through this website, as this website will also provide you working promo code for Temu. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.